At Sri Sri University, Hyenr has taken a big step towards sustainability by installing a 650 kilowatt solar power plant. A project designed for clean energy and a better future. This plant uses 1,182 solar modules, each with a capacity of 550 watt peak, to generate renewable energy every day. Spread across 3,155 square meters, the plant has a total capacity of 650 kilowatt peak DC and 500 kilowatt in AC. The setup includes 5 inverters of 100 kilowatt each and 2 ACDBs, ensuring smooth energy conversion and distribution. This plant generates an estimated 52,500 kilowatt-hour of energy every month, adding up 6,30,000 kilowatt-hour annually, enough to power the future sustainably. With this project, Sri Sri University and Hyenr are setting new standards for renewable energy and environmental care. Hyenr is proud to partner with Sri Sri University in building a sustainable tomorrow.